Taking care of your skin is a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and protecting your body's largest organ. A consistent skincare routine can help address various concerns. These concerns range from dryness and oiliness to aging and acne. A well-structured routine provides your skin with the necessary tools to thrive. It helps maintain its natural balance, defend against environmental aggressors, and enhance its overall health and appearance. Just like you brush your teeth daily, caring for your skin should be a non-negotiable part of your day. Think of your skincare routine as a gift to yourself. It's a moment of self-care and an investment in your long-term well-being. By following a simple yet effective routine, you can achieve and maintain healthy, radiant skin for years to come. This guide will provide a comprehensive outline of a basic morning and evening skincare routine, incorporating weekly treatments and general tips for maintaining optimal skin health. Remember, consistency is key. Your morning skincare routine is all about preparing your skin for the day ahead. It's about cleansing away impurities that may have accumulated overnight and protecting it from environmental stressors. Start your day with a gentle cleanser. Look for a hydrating cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid are excellent for attracting and retaining moisture. Next, use a toner to refresh your skin and balance its pH levels. Choose an alcohol-free toner with soothing ingredients like rosewater or chamomile. Now it's time for serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin and protects it from free radical damage. Apply a few drops of a vitamin C serum to your face and neck. Finally, apply a lightweight moisturizer. Opt for a non-comedogenic formula that won't clog your pores. Gel-based or water-based moisturizers are great for daytime use. Don't forget sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you are spending time outdoors. Your morning routine sets the foundation for healthy, protected skin throughout the day. Your evening skincare routine is all about removing the day's grime, makeup, and pollution, and giving your skin a chance to repair and rejuvenate itself overnight. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This step removes makeup and surface-level impurities, preparing your skin for the subsequent steps. Exfoliation is crucial for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. 2 to 3 times a week, use a gentle exfoliating scrub. Avoid harsh scrubs that can irritate your skin. Toning after cleansing and exfoliating helps soothe and refresh your skin. It also preps your skin to better absorb the subsequent products in your routine. After toning, apply a hydrating serum. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide are excellent ingredients to look for in a hydrating serum. They plump the skin and improve its texture. Follow with a richer moisturizer than what you used in the morning. This will help repair your skin barrier and provide intense hydration overnight. The delicate skin around your eyes needs special attention. Use an eye cream to hydrate and protect this area, preventing fine lines and wrinkles. Your evening routine is a chance to pamper your skin and allow it to renew itself overnight. Section 4. Weekly Skin Saviors, boosting your routine. In addition to your daily regimen, incorporating weekly treatments can significantly enhance your skin's health and address specific concerns. Face masks are a fantastic way to deliver a concentrated dose of beneficial ingredients to your skin. Hydrating or calming masks are great for all skin types. Clay masks are particularly helpful for those with oily skin as they help control excess oil production. Once a week, indulge in a face mask that caters to your skin's needs. Body exfoliation is just as important as facial exfoliation. Use a gentle body scrub once a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin. Follow with a nourishing body lotion to lock in moisture. These weekly treatments provide an extra boost to your skincare routine, ensuring that your skin receives the comprehensive care it deserves. Section 5. Essential Skincare Tips Beyond Products. While a consistent skincare routine is crucial, certain lifestyle factors can significantly impact your skin's health. Hydration is key for maintaining plump, healthy skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, provides your skin with essential nutrients. Avoid hot showers or baths, as they can strip your skin of its natural oils. Protect your lips from sun damage and dryness with a lip balm that contains SPF. Wear protective clothing and seek shade when exposed to the sun. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, which benefits your skin. Last but not least, prioritize sleep. Your skin rejuvenates itself overnight, so getting enough sleep is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Section 6. Conclusion. Consistency and customization for your best skin. Achieving and maintaining healthy skin is a journey, not a destination. The key is consistency in following a well-rounded skincare routine. Remember that everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Don't be afraid to experiment and customize your routine based on your skin type and concerns. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to different products and adjust accordingly. Be patient and give your skin time to respond to any changes you make. Skincare is a form of self-care, and it should be enjoyable. Find products and routines that make you feel good, and embrace the process of nurturing your skin. With consistent effort and a bit of patience, you can achieve the healthy, radiant complexion you've always desired.